Welcome back, and now news from sports. Title is the most important thing in I-League, but after their failed title defence, Salgaonkar Sports Club will try to finish as high as possible. Coach Karim Ben Sharifa does not believe in chasing any other particular in place, as it has no importance for him. After defeating Chirag United Kerala on Sunday evening, Salgaonkar have reached up to the 6th place with their final round match yet to be played. Chirag United are meanwhile relegated to the 2nd Division I-League.
To stand 5th place, I think.
It's not important. What is important is the most important thing in this I-League for me is I-League champion. Second, even I'm not happy, to be honest with you. For me, second is like 7th. Whether because of the prize money, whether because of the value that it gives you to AFC, for many reasons. You know, for example, if you look at European Champions League, if you are 5th or 4th, you qualify to UEFA. If you are 3rd, you qualify to something. Here, what? Okay, 2nd, what you have. So for me, really, what is important is to be champion. After that, as high as possible is okay, but I'm just okay.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias.
Seza Football Academy's work towards boosting the football scene is commendable. Over the last 12 years, Seza has produced over 90 players through their Sankili-based academy. The 6th batch of 18 footballers passed out from the Seza Football Academy on Sunday. Seza MD P.K. Mukherjee stressed that the academy is committed to helping Indian football. Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo and AIFF Secretary Kushal Das agreed that good academies is the only way to lift football standard in the country.
18 young footballers received theoretical and practical knowledge during the last 4 years to come to this day of convocation. A graduate always dreams about huge opportunities while also being aware of challenges to face. While most of this batch will go to the senior academy in Sirsai, others will have to look for clubs to ply their trade. And judging by the superb reputation of Seza's alumni, finding a club should not be a difficult task. Seza MD P.K. Mukherjee highlighted the talent in this batch of graduates.
During the 4 years at the academy, this young team passing out today has played 60 matches amongst themselves and scored 77 goals. So 77 goal scorers are there sitting in front of us. Among this, Umesh Harijan was the top scorer with 23 goals, followed by Raymond Rodriguez and Siddharth Kundaikar with 9 goals apiece.
We came from different parts of Goa to play for a team called Seza FA. No moving machines, no batteries, no monthly payments and no fees. Still, we played together with all our zest. That's why we know we are the best. We worked in the gym to form this team, starting off with our goalkeepers, Jason and Johnson, who always saved our day. Oh, our great ball of Seza Football Academy, Lenston, Neville, Ferov, Melvin, Kaitan, never allowed any opponents to trespass. Our wings, Siddharth, Morrison, Rensel, always made the ball swing. Our playmakers, Rigan, Ponef, Paresh, Umang were the movers and shakers. Our strikers, myself, Raymond and Umesh, we are like two tigers. Not forgetting our sharp shooters, Mario and Mainu, who used a lot of energy to shoot the ball perfectly.
Dempo chairman Srinivas Dempo hailed the quality of the CESA alumni.
We have Godwin Franco and Rovilson Rodrigues, who are doing a wonderful job for the Dempo Sports Club. This time, there were on many occasions some of the top guys who had to go and play at Mr. Kushal Das's instance for the Indian team. Also, some of the guys who had to hold up for injuries of some of our star players. And I think it is these two boys, Godwin and Rovilson, who did a fantastic job. And that speaks volumes of this academy, that it's not only an academy for namesake, but one which really concentrates on the overall development of the character of the players.
AIFF General Secretary Kushal Das says academies should work together to boost India's standard.
We have to work inclusively. You know, India is such a big, large country, and we have such a long distance to go before we actually make our name in world football, that we must work inclusively. There is scope for all academies to exist, and we must cooperate together. So I'm in fact looking for very close cooperation with the CESA Football Academy.
Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Sankeli.
Now don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.